Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. It is a very slow Friday. What is going on with this speed? Oh well, hey, all of a sudden I just heard a little movement here. Yeah, let's get to it. Roll that tape. Alrighty then, it is Friday. What are we at? Day 29. Holy shnikes. Let's take a peek. And of course, because it is so slow, we are going to want to start out with some NASDAQ. But of course, if you are new with us, of course, we got plenty of time to talk about it. So follow us here, and of course, this is where all the action is here on our Discord channel. And of course, you can download the 2-week free trial. If you don't know what AlgoBox is or haven't used it yet, you can go and try it out for free. All the training is free there on the website as well. Let's go up and look at the big picture. Let's see what is going on here. So big picture wise, everything is kind of in the ropes, but there are a few that are not. Yes, just sitting up here looking like all-time highs here. We are inside of a red harmonic deep crab, so we've got some space up to the top of it, 4482.50, and again, that's big. We're not gonna looking for a stop behind that. We also have one on the wave, so we could get that shift. Let me turn down the Creed just a bit here. Happy Friday, everybody. Again, usually early in, early out, but you know, our system has become so OP these days that the early in, early out thing really doesn't even apply. It's more of a personal benefit. And really today, I probably coming in this late would not be trading normally, but we are in a contest, and you know, I'm into the competition, okay? And so, you know, look, if you guys want me to keep doing this competition, I'm gonna need your help. Yeah, those buttons right there will keep me doing the contest, and we'll keep on going. We have pretty much destroyed Ross up to this point. He said he's going to run his account up to 25,000. We are well over that at this point already. He's got a ways to go before he catches up, so we'll just see how far we can go with it. So the competitor in me drives me to come out here and go ahead and trade on days like right now, where I probably wouldn't spend more time with the family and all that kind of good stuff. We had a good family breakfast this morning. I had some Denny's ordered in for everybody, and it is the first week of school for the kids, so getting back in the swing of things and all of that. But I'm here for you guys. Let's come down here. Look what's going on with the NQ here. We've got we got triple dots coming in here to the long side. We came right into a PRZ target, and I'm starting to hear things liven up a little bit. Let me get myself out of the way of the histogram here. Very important thing to be looking at here on our histograms. Let's take a peek overall. Let me use my new button, show all. See, does this work? Hey, how about that? Are they in the right one? YM, ES, RTY, yes. All right, so my new show all button. You guys remind me to use that show all button because I keep forgetting that I have it, and I need to stop using. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull my Stream Deck. Oh, Stream Deck cable's too short. Never mind. I was like, I'm gonna pull a Stream Deck over here close to my mouse. Nope, no I'm not. Okay, so gonna try to be using the Stream Deck instead of my usual number pad thing, so I quit clicking on my, actually, you know what, I think it does the same thing. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Let's see, I'm gonna press the right button. Okay, that's right screen, top right, yes, top middle should be YM, top left, is that gonna be everything? Yes. All right, and main is NQ in the center, awesome. And then show all, how about that? Okay, I'm gonna try to use the Stream Deck buttons a lot here while we're streaming. Again, market is absolutely at a standstill. I mean, listen to it. It ain't moving at all. Nothing moving. So we may get no trades. We'll sit here a bit and see if something comes, but we're this may be a no trade day. Some of those of you guys who are a bit superstitious. I mean, I have some superstition. I'm not superstition free here, but it is Friday the 13th, so I am I am perfectly happy to not lose money today. It would be fantastic. Majority green, but we do have RTY red. See that down at the bottom right? So things that we are going to be looking at here. Red right here. Green, green, and green. ES, the main one we want to go off of. So we are greens. We want to be looking for some longs here. Okay. I got a shark back play coming here off of NQ, but again, really don't want to be taking any shorts right now. It'd have to be absolutely perfect and a little bit more speed here. We've got double king timing coming up here on NQ. Is anything else close to timing? YM is also coming. Actually, all of them are on timing. RTY even also. And that one is red. Yeah, I'd rather take that on a shift back to green. We got a green dot C. Even the most recent component on YM is a green dot here. So basically looking for longs. Want to find a long setup. That would have been a nice double dot right there. Triple dot coming in there on NQ. Easy push up to that PRZ target. Doesn't look like much, but that's a 5s, remember, so that's going to be about a 20 to 25 ticker right there. High time frame NQ. Blue dot bounce into the golden ropes. And then up, RTY completely wrapped up in the ropes on high time frame and the tide. No surprise why maybe it is getting some shift. We may see a pull down, but it is a Friday. Oftentimes markets push long on Fridays, so keeping that in mind as well. Let's make sure I did do my auto horizontals, so I see that my horizontals are already drawn for me there, which is nice. I've got a giant ladder down below me on YM. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead. This will be my first trade here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this short. We've got double cross there. We've got stuff around it. PRZ target way down below, and we've got a series of PRZs down below me. So I'm gonna take a shot right here on this one. Red dot on the 8s. I would need the MACV to kind of shift and roll over with me there, if that's going to work. But little quarter position here. I'm hearing a few taps of some big sellers coming in, and yeah, let's watch this one, see if it plays. Wow, super slow. Plenty of time to talk through it there. Let's zoom into it. Let me see if I can use my Stream Deck buttons. Top mid. Oh, look at that. Stream Deck. Okay, another reminder. You guys remind me, if I forget, please, to move my Stream Deck. I need to unplug my Stream Deck and move it, because the short cable, I want to move it closer to the right hand side so I will start using it. So that I can easily press show all back and forth instead of having to constantly go and hunt down the button to press and all that. Okay, wow. Are we really just gonna sit here? Okay, so you guys have been following along, hopefully. Remember, we got our 5 trades. If you're new with us, you probably want to go watch some of our other streams. Today it looks like it's going to be absolutely terribly slow. It's Friday the 13th. Not that that means anything specifically, but I hear rumors on the internet that it's a bad day to trade. Yeah, but they don't have Algobox, you know what I'm saying? They don't got no Algobox. They don't know what's up. So yeah, we'll see if we get anything fun here, or not. And yeah, that's what we'll do. That's what we'll do, though. You know what I'm saying? NQ again. I kind of like that shark there as well on the NQ. May kick myself later for not maybe dipping my toe in on that one, but we'll see. RTY still looking like it's in a nice spot for A short coming into king timing here. And we'll see if she's gonna go.
Good dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and do the things. Let's press the buttons. So we are adding to position. Now this is a double dot. I probably need to respect this PRZ here. And we'll see how it reacts when we get into this one here. So slow. Again, this may just chop. If it just starts to chop in here, you know, I'm just gonna close out the position. There's no speed here whatsoever. So, something to note. No, there's one up there. Okay, there's one white cross right there, which is basically right above this white crosses here. I will re-enter this position somewhere around this location. I'm gonna go ahead and mark this one. I know this is a little bit odd because normally I'm only gonna mark a double dot. I'm gonna explain why I'm gonna mark this one. Oops, that's a terrible place for that. Let's try that again. Anytime you want to redraw yours, by the way, just press delete. So F6 will be right there on the cross. See, look at that. Oh, look at it. Yeah, it comes right at the top of the crosses there. If I get stopped out here, I may reapply and retry this position again. There was no volume up here. You notice that? Like it went up here and it was just like kind of vacant. So that might have been the fake move up there. How much did they dump right there? Do we have it? Oh, I don't have any delta information. We did have a big delta shift there. It's at 10:05 earlier this morning. So they dumped here. Excuse me. And we've got this one up here that I drew in. It's let me look back to see what that one did there at that time. Whoa, is it way back here? No, that was like in this morning, right? Okay, am I not reading the chart right? Oh, that was yesterday. Holy cow. Okay, so that doesn't really matter. Yeah, here's today. Wow. Well, this is all today. Okay. Why did that not show up? 9:32 this morning. Right here. Okay, size of the delta. Okay, yeah, they dumped some there. That one flipped back the other way. Okay, so they're offloading. See that shift? Big green, same size red. Same size red. Not this one. Green, same size. Okay, yeah. So they're dumping off up here. This is the fake move up. Now that should be red. Yep, it's red. Boom. Okay, so accumulation distribution, whatever we come up to the top here, it will likely, you know, if we push up, probably a fake out, and then we might have a big opportunity to catch. It'd be really cool to see, you know, even something like this, another fake, and then the real move come. Again, I don't know if we're, you know, this may be to the end of the day here on that, or we could just come up in the spot and drop out. Okay, I hear some sellers. They're gonna help me out here. This is taking 40 forevers. I'm gonna tighten up my stop here all the way back behind those double dots. Again, I can always re-enter. I always tell everybody, like, look, if it doesn't work, I can always re-enter. I can even close out if that second dot doesn't come in, but I really entered in here with the king timing. Red dot back here. Again, I can always re-enter, right? If these places play, this is why I always tell you guys, like, you know, look, don't just get married to it. It's okay to, like, close the trade. This button is not, there's nothing wrong with this button. This close button is awesome. Okay, just use it. Oh, kind of wish I would have done that RTY. Look at RTY. RTY. Actually, okay, I almost pressed the 6 button again. I'm going to try to press this button on my Stream Deck. Look at that. She dropped out. Alright, I kind of had a feeling RTY would be the better one on that, and I'm kind of kicking myself for not going ahead and taking that one instead. Educational purposes, of course. Uh-oh.
Par. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the...
Okay, NQ. Even NQ's not moving right now. Holy cow, this snooze fest. All right, drop in. Are we going? Come on now. We're going. I can feel it. I'm just gonna add one more to it. Because at this speed, this may be my only trade here today. Holy cow. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna lock it in behind that top there again. If we break up, you know, it is what it is. I don't want to risk a lot. OMW, come on now. I have to get into the coffee for this. It's craziness. Come on now. Let's go. Oh, that RTY. Look at that RTY. Would have been absolutely perfect. Press my show all button. Check this out. Now you have to move the mouse. You can just go here and press show all. You guys see that? Yes. Look at that. Look at that RTY. Dropped out all the way down. Then you got a cross there for the exit. Oh. That was a juicier play. And look, I should have just followed that one. Because if I'm going to go ahead and get short anyways, look. Which MACV histogram is red? Right? Look. do as I say, not as I do here. Okay, one of those moments. That histogram, I should have already said. Remember, we said at the beginning, we could tell that one was red. I'm going to move. This is so slow. I'm going to go ahead and look at it. See this around here? Look at that. All the other ones, they're green. Look at ES up above me. Green. NQ, green. YM. Green. I'm up here, you know, taking one there. Now, mind you, YM was recently red, so that's why I was kind of semi-confident I could go ahead and still take this. Because look, yeah, I mean, you got a big solid block of red coming in here. So if you were to look at the majority of this, would you say the majority of this is red? Yeah. Okay, but right now, you know, we're kind of green. So the one that would have worked faster for me and easier. Again, these are probably both okay. Right, but which one would have been better, right? It's good, better, best principle. Good is the enemy of better, and that's the enemy of best, right? So the best play here would have been for me to go ahead and play that one on RTY. I mean, we had the double cross red in there and a shark. and king and large. Even the timing was a little bit better. I had okay timing here. We went past these areas, but we're coming into a small. I don't know. They're both pretty good. They're both pretty good if I'm just looking at them. But knowing that the histogram there was more solid red there on RTY, I can see, you know, in hindsight 2020 there, that one would have been a good one to have done if I had to choose one. Oh my goodness. This hold time. I don't like these hold times.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Okay, we're in there. So that timing line right there, I may have to pull some here if we turn on that timing, right? See that timing line? What color is it? It's pink and green, okay? So we have a medium king right there, and it's probably gonna coincide directly. Look at that crosshair. Remember how I talked to you guys about that crosshair principle with our little gaming? Look, see how that can form a little crosshair right there? Right there. Hopefully that just drops straight through. That'd be fantastic. And I will probably take about half the position right there. Uh-oh. Okay, might have an opportunity to add to position here. Listen for it.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
NASDAQ. No, RTY is at the open. Open is down below us. On NQ, where's the open? Here on YM. I don't see the open line. Do I not have the open on? Where is the open? Oh, it's way above me. Okay.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Well,
on the twos.
that's kind of good too, though, because that means we are shorts favorable. Let me hear some sellers. Come on.
Short. Look for a short.
Bring me some sellers. Okay, green dots are breaking there on NQ. That could help us on the short side. I see red dot and pushing down on RTY, but I hear no sellers jumping in. I need to hear that. Okay, there we go. Sellers coming. I'm going to add another. ES is a giant headshot up here. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, I'm going to try my show all button. Look at the top right. Top right. Look at that. See that right there?
Harmonic pattern.
Ooh, on a
Nasdaq
king
on the twos.
timing. This isn't, man, if this wasn't so slow, that would be very tempting. And right here. Okay, we could be getting a big turn right here, folks. Okay, this could be good. I'm gonna just go ahead and go full half position here on this trade. And I'm gonna add to position there. We are at a full half position here on this play. And let's see how we go. Let me press my right button here. There we go, top mid. I'm gonna get you better with the Stream Deck thing. Here we go. There we go. That ES trade, man, so
Fib dot.
juicy. Look
Nasdaq on the
at
twos.
this ES. Oh, so juicy. It'd be awesome if this market would move a little bit faster, but that could help. If ES starts to turn, you know what's going to happen to these others, right? Kind of like that old adage, ES catches a cold, the others will catch the flu. You know what I'm saying? Oh, NQ is shifting red on the MACV. R2Y is still red. It's got a red headshot there as well. A little bit of an awkward position down there, but we've got a PRZ target to possibly suck it down. They're a bit farther on R2Y as well. But I'm kind of sitting here in this YM. See how she plays out here. King timing. Okay, we could turn right here. I got my finger over the close. If we decide, I don't know, we come down, push down, and we start to rip. You know, I got to pull it out. Okay, there's target one. Got this juicy PRZ down here on the fives. That would be great to see us all the way down. Was that 35,415? See that number right there? That'd be great. I'm going to see it all the way down in there. It'd be fantastic.
Harmonic pattern.
I'm front running that by a
on the
couple of
twos.
ticks here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the top there. I can always press close. Remember what I always tell you guys about grinders, right? If we're grinding in a direction, you can kind of hold it. If it's fast, that's where you got to worry about the reversals. Racquetball play. Always think about a racquetball court. You hit it hard off the front wall, it's going to come back. You can offset your opponent by just kind of punching it up to the front softly and get your opponent to run up to the front and stick the ball in the front of the court. Get in there. Come on, YM. I don't got all day. It's Friday. Wake up, let's go.
Target filled.
Finally. Okay, are we there yet? Nope. 415. Watch that number right there. I want to see it completely break that if I'm going to keep holding this position. If we stop or pause there, that may be the end of the road. I'm front running it by a tick there. I see some size coming in on the bid ask. Hopefully that starts to go.
Target filled.
Okay, excellent. Let's see how we rest on 415. There we go. We just touched it. Let's see. Again, we always have to be worried about accumulation. If we start to accumulate right there, then, you know, that's some back and forth. And if we start to, you know, do this number, that's not near as fun, right? But I can, usually if it starts to do that, I've got multiple times and opportunities that I can exit. So I've got freaking forever to draw this out, right? There could be a touch, right? It could touch me 3 times. So I'm not worried about going ahead and closing out the position right now. I've got 3 chances to kind of get out on this if this thing starts to, you know, do one of those. You only have to worry about, you know, the thing's ripping. If it starts to rip, well, that's a whole other story. Okay, I'm gonna push some out. I'm hearing cells coming. Let's put that right there on our little line. This one needs to come in on our line right there. Line. We got our ladder lined up. So this is ladder targeting. If you guys see my video on ladder targeting, I don't think it's called ladder targeting. I need to probably put a title on that for ladder targeting. But if you've watched the video on using the PRZs where you've got multiples like this lined up on top of each other where we're targeting the ladder, I've got large and king timing right here. Now, if I see a green show up here, obviously I have to close out the position. But like I said, we'll probably have, even if this consolidates right here, I've probably got multiple opportunities to exit here at the 35,415. So I'm going to try to hold the position a little bit longer with the slow motion molasses. And like I said, it tends to continue in a direction when you go this slow. When you go fast is when you need to worry about, you know, rip reversals. Yes, headshot, just sitting up there in it. Yes, not really going anywhere. But that looks like a juicy headshot ready to go there. They're probably trying to offload their stuff. And we've got a dynamo leg too. I just noticed that. Look at that. If you see the dynamo leg, type down below and say dynamo leg. If you don't, go look at our examples on what a dynamo leg is. But what do we see on ES? See the dynamo leg right here? So what's going to happen if we traverse right back through that? dump, right? We expect a dump right through that, okay? Because they're trying to offload, offload, offload. They're done offloading, and then, okay. And it would be great if it comes in with the headshot. I mean, that's perfect from our system. You know, the system basically lines it up for you. You got a killer headshot right there, plus that. Yeah, it's great. All right, let me press my right button here. There we go on my Stream Deck. I think I might get used to the Stream Deck thing. I just have to tell myself I got the Stream Deck, and I almost want to, for a couple days, I might put some tape over my or something over my just something resting there. Give me the reminder on my number pad, so I won't press the buttons there. That will direct me straight over to my Stream Deck, because I still have a habit. I'm reaching over to punch my number pad instead of the Stream Deck buttons. Okay, come on now. Drop it. Drop it. I'm here in the cells. Right on the large. Here in cell, that's good. We're getting, I'm gonna go ahead and add back to my position here. And like I said, worst case scenario, we come back up in this zone. You know, we'll probably get some wiggle and I can get myself out, but I want to try to maximize an opportunity if I've got it. Right here on large timing, I'd love to see this continue through. That king right there, got king timing out about, you know, we've got 8 or 9 bars, maybe 8 to 10 bars of space to that king timing. And again, we didn't bounce immediately off this spot here, so we may press through it. We could get a double move of this right here, which would put us right here about 408. Yeah, so down here somewhere. 405 might be a little bit far for it, but we'll see. I'm here in the cells, but are we gonna move it? NQ putting it across. RTY, man, RTY, still that one that I probably should have stuck with. Look at this thing. Yeah, RTY, bottom right hand corner. Look at that thing. Headshot coming in, pushes it even farther. How did I get stuck with this slow motioner? Oh my goodness. Back V starting to shift for me back. That's good. Oh, that's good. Good, 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 good. Let me hear some sellers. Come on. All right, there's me some sellers. Let's go. Again, I'm not gonna leave my stops back there, but this allows me some targeting options here. Oh shoot! No, I don't want to do that. No. I'm gonna move one of these up. There we go. Oh, come on. Don't fake me out here. Oh, come on. Come on, you're on large timing here. Let's make up your mind. I'm perfectly fine with it bouncing up at this point. I'd love it to just kind of start coming up here and then come back down. I'll just, if as long as it speeds up here, that's fine. Like, just tell me I'm in the wrong spot here so we can get moving on this thing. But come on now. All right, come on now. I heard you, sellers. Let's go. Come on now. You faked them to the highs. Now let's drive it low.
On the twos.
Oh man, another headshot coming in on RTY. Look at this. Yeah, I should have just gone with the RTY. Of course, you know, there's no way for me to really tell that. YM still looked like, you know, pretty good one. Though RTY, the histogram had already started to show red, right? So when you're going relative weakness, which one is the weakest from a standpoint of, you know, long or short? If strong is up and weak is down, just from a perspective of the instrument itself, it is obviously the weakest of the four from a perspective of price strength, right? So if we were to turn down, that one's turning down the fastest and hardest. Oh shoot, we got a cross here. All right, so let's take some of these off here, around the cross here. This could be the end of the road. I just heard a few buyers kind of start to step in here. This would be a PRZ crossplay. Yeah, this could be the end of the road here. This looks like it's still got more space, but yeah, gotta be noticed. Let's pull this,
Target filled.
We'll pull these back behind the cross.
Target filled.
Excellent.
Target filled.
Excellent. And are you gonna give me any more? I'm gonna push these out. I've got plenty of space to the king here, but if I start showing some blues here, I'll go ahead and close it up here. I can always re-enter if I start to hear some dramatic sell. We are inside the PRZ solidly here. I've got a cross. I'm perfectly happy with exiting at this spot.
Short.
And get there. All right, I'm closing it. I don't know if she's going any farther or not. That's good enough for me. Okay, that one trade literally felt like my entire life. I'm kind of done with that craziness. Holy cow. In queue, double cross, double move. Man, I didn't hear the sound. Did you guys hear the sound? Did I miss it? I did not hear a double cross, double move sound. Hold on, let's make sure it's turned on. Was I falling asleep at the wheel and I just didn't hear it? DCDM alert. Nope, it's there. Okay. I don't know. Those are they too far apart? No. I might have gotten some other audio coming through that overrode it and didn't hear it. But yeah, double cross, double move. You know, not too much on that one. The distance is from there to there, there to there. Not gonna sweat it. Okay, we're right there at the open. In queue. So top side. We are breaking through blue. So let's look at the big picture. In queue's got a big, gigantic PRZ target down below. So we could be using that for some bigger targets. On this, I've got a PRZ target down below me as well down here. And right there at the open line. RTY sitting at the low of day. It's touching the low right now on RTY. I'm hearing sellers. We got a PRZ target right there. All right, let's go for it. I'm gonna go for this. Could be a mistake here. Basically a scalper play here down into the PRZ. What's that target? 15099s. Oh, are we pushing up here on the open? I should have waited for an entry. Nope, I'm gonna close it. Okay, I don't know what's going on with that one. Yeah, I didn't really have an entry. I was forcing that.
Nasdaq on the
I need to wait for some kind of... Oh, there we go. Okay, I hear cells. Let's try it again. I'm gonna add to position here. See if we can get down into this PRZ. Just trying to get down in there. 099s. Got 3 more bars of space there.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 5.
Housekeeping. Hello. Who is this? From what? PlatinumSax.com. Oh yeah, that's definitely me. Okay, bad time though. I gotta go. PlatinumSax.com. Oh shoot. Did we get 99s? Oh, we did. We touched the PRZ. Let's see if we touch it again. We might not. Oh my word, this is torturously slow. Drop it. Look at RTY. Why didn't I just stick with RTY? RTY is dropping out like a boss. Oh, look at YM. YM's dropping out too. Come on, baby. Come on, NQ. You can do it too. Get down in there. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Get it.
Target.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. That is trade number 4. Feeling like an eternity there. Oh man, wish I would have stuck with the RTY though. Look at this. Oh man. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Holy cow.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Full dropout. And YM up there. Oh, look at my crossplay up here. Yeah, I could have held that for longer. Okay, look, and up here I finished it out. See? There, that's real nice. I'm just not that good at the patience thing. You know, if that had some more speed on it and was going, I mean, that's good. It's tougher for me. I'm just proud of myself for holding it all the way out to the part that I did right there. So we've got one more trade here. And let's see what we can do here. All right, is everything turning over red? I've got reds across the board except for ES, but look at ES. Look what ES is doing. See the red dot there pushing it over? Let's see what we can do here. ES, am I going to get an ES play? I am so tempted to take a trade on ES, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Way too slow. It'll be the moment that I want to get in on it, and then I get stuck holding the bag. Oh, NQ's pulling up a little bit. You could give me a red. Okay, I got my finger over the cell here on the red. Let's see what happens with it. NQ. I got a spot right there. That's a perfect crosshair. Look at that. That's going to be king timing with the red. I got to be careful of this though, right? We could pop up here. I'm hearing buyers, right? I would need this to pop up in this area, and then here I'm coming back in. Comes king timing. Do I have anything to target down below me? No, I mean, it's a big open space all the way down there to 15.078 though. You see that? That is a long way down there. See if we can catch it. Final trade. Trade number 5. Excuse me. Almost there. Okay. Almost there. Okay, we're in it. I'm only hearing buyers, so I'm not gonna just smash into it. Wait for a setup. There's the open line right there. So we start to do an accumulation zone, right? You start to see how you can visually see. We've distributed, right? So if we start to accumulate here, what do we expect? Right? Something like this, right? Here comes large timing. I dip my toe in the water right here. I'm gonna get my stop back behind the PRZ. Yeah, we're pushing up and out of there pretty good. We've got bats on both of these. Might be in the wrong spot for it. Let's see. We got that open line there. Oh, need to draw in a line here at the double crosses. I'm gonna pull it back behind those. I got some room to work with here. I'm gonna try to build in right here. I'd love, see that crosshair right there, pink and white right there. If price gets right there, I'm gonna slam that right there. And even if it only gets us to the open line here, again, collecting around the open line happens a lot. So I'll use that open line for the magnet. I know we've got 15.06175 right there. Yeah, right here. Oh, come on, come on. I don't like that it's grinding up here. It's very slow action up. Would have rather seen it go super fast up. Grinding up could mean it could keep going here. NQ's coming up. RTY still dropping. YM about to turn down. Okay, there we go. PRZ. All right, PRZ crossplay here. We know we've got the double white crosses up above me. Worth a shot right here. Final trade. Let's see if we can do anything with it. I'm going to put 2 here because I'm a little bit more nervous about the play here. Final trade here. PRZ. Cross play. Algorithmic activity right there, but are they picking it back up? That is the question. We didn't touch the white line, so I could add again right here if we start to go. Here's king timing. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Right there at the open line. The open line may not let it go anywhere. Let's see. Are we going to magnet right there? We are. I'm going to close out, and if we push up, I can always add a bit higher. or reinitiate higher. You gonna give it to me? Yeah, baby. Come on. I'll take it.
Target filled.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take it. Let's go. Let's go. I'll take it. Oh, come on, you bum. You're gonna bum me like that. Yeah, I mean, it's suck into that open line like a boss. Drop it. Oh, that's horse poopy. Closing it. All right. We still got space here. I got space to work with. White line is there. I can always reopen. We got space to the king timing though. And we know we got that open line there. And if we're accumulating in, you know, around that, then that zone could be like this now. Right? So again, I want to try to be entering in higher than that. I don't want to be playing around in the middle. Yes, I am ready. I'm ready. Get it going. So what we haven't seen, I just noticed this delta. So double delta up there, boom, boom, boom. And I do not see a delta equivalent to that size here, over here. So I believe the move should continue down farther. Yeah, and even this one, big delta way over there. No real reason for this to shift out, unless this was the accumulation pickup to just absolutely destroy higher. Oh, I just noticed. Oh man, look at this. Oh, I just pressed the number 7. Dadgummit, I gotta get used to my stream deck. I'm gonna have to put something over these numbers so I stop using it for a little bit. Look at that. So we're also bat off of the wave here. And look that could just go up a full bar up. You know, 89 bars all the way up there to 15, 1, 14. So I have to be careful. I gotta be careful of that too. All right. So, you know, look, we're taking our plays. We'll see if it plays out. If it does, great. If it doesn't, it's all right too. Where are we at in our P&L? P&L wise, 740. Not too bad. But trying to be a little more. Yeah, don't want to hear buyers. I want to hear some sellers. Oh man, 5 minutes till my 60 minutes is up. Come on now. Got 5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes. I didn't set my timer at the beginning, but I'm looking over at my stream. We've been streaming for 55 minutes, so we got 5 minutes. Okay, we might be pushing up to our white line there. What's it gonna be, NQ? All right, final, should be our final trade. Okay, here we go. Up into it. You're gonna miss it by a hair, really? Only hearing buyers here. We got king timing coming in here. Perfect crosshair right there for an event to occur. Wait for it. See it right here. You touched it. Got a nice juicy PRZ here. Pop in there, turn red. We can get short. Maybe target one for the open line here. Target one, and if we get a run down, fantastic. Holy cow, this is so slow. Got a red. Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot here. We've got a PRZ cross. Final trade here. I can put on some risk for. I'm willing to risk. We'll risk 3. Well, we'll risk 400 and see what we can do with that. Are we gonna drop it? Don't like that I'm hearing buyers. Would have been better if that cross was in the PRZ. Technically, that's not inside the PRZ. Oh, I don't like that we're grinding higher here. Okay, we're right on king timing here. That we need to see a red bar there. If we don't, this is trouble. All right, we are in the PRZ. Turn it. Oh my goodness. I don't like that we're grinding up here. Okay, come on, there we go. There we go. Uh-oh, there's my time. Alexa, stop. Alright, we are at 60 minutes here, folks. And it has been a torture fest of speed. This feels like it's gonna grind. Yeah, I'm gonna gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. Again, that's not perfect. It's not an actual PRZ cross. You know, I'm trying to make something that's not there. I would need this to really turn right there. I'm out of time there, and it is. Oh, is it gonna go now? Are we gonna go? Perfect PRZ target right down there. Alright, I'm gonna go one more time on it. I'm not gonna risk too much there. PRZ target right there. Final trade. Official. I'm calling this. This is 2 try rule. I always tell you guys I can do 2 tries, can't do 3. I'm gonna lock in my stop back behind the cross. There's my risk. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it's done either way. Come on now, give me that bar. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Target.
Yes. Yes. Come on. You got a little more in you there. Let's go. Let's. Yes. Yes. Phyllis. Fill it. Get you some of that.
Bill.
That's what I'm talking about. Get you some.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Alrighty then. Ring it up, ring it up, ring it up.
It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down Friday. Everybody looking forward to the weekend, Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody looking forward to the weekend.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Can't touch this. Alrighty then. 6. Trump coins.
NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
You can too. Oh yeah. 2024, baby. You guys better get out and vote Republican. And I am not even ashamed to tell you. If you are voting Democrat, do me a favor. Get the fuck out! Pardon my French. Happy Friday, everybody. All right, folks.
Where are you gay?
Well, I'm not really gay, bro. Honestly,
Very fake.
that's true. That's true. What do you think about that, Trump? Are we good, bro? Are we good?
I'm gonna come.
Oh, I'm glad to hear it, bro. I'm glad to hear it.
Thank you very much. That's really nice. Thank
I
you.
thought it was pretty nice too, my friend. Let's take a peek at where we're at in our stats, shall we? We shall. Holy cow.
Fig
Felt
dog.
like 90 minutes, 60 minutes of torture there. So slow today. Let's look at what our hold time was for today. Friday the 13th. I didn't take any long trades. No, actually I didn't, did I? No, they were all short. Yeah, we held that thing for forever. What was our hold time? Hold time.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Time in market 7 minutes. Felt like a lot longer than that. Man, oh man. So again, that's average, of course. But yeah, outside of our, oh no way. Is that 666? I might have to take another trade. Friday the 13th, 666. Yeah, you gotta be joking me, right? Y'all were my witness. I did not plan that. You know what? I hate the devil that much. I'm gonna press the buy button over here, and let's see if we can get a winner or a loser right now. How about that? Get down there. Get up there. I don't care. I don't care what it is. I am so sick of evil turds winning. I'm done with it. I am done with it. You're a devil-loving retard. I got 2 fists for you. I see YM. Should have gone YM long up top there. Will $40 do it? $40 will put me at 700. NQ, when did you get slow, bruh? Done. All right. Now nobody can say on Friday the 13th that I made 666. Eat it. All right, folks. 7:08:60. I'll let Ross hang out with the devil. I ain't down with that. Him and Mike Smith, you guys can do your evil turds. Too many Matts in this industry too. I'll tell you what. We got Trades by Matt. We got Day Trader Paradise Matt. We got, I don't even know. There's so many. The only good one out there, Matt Owens of Triforce Trader. He's a good dude. If you guys didn't catch the interview, I did an interview. If you guys want to hear my life story, which might bore you to death, but hey, you should go check it out. So on the short side, 666, we'll do that there. Long trades, $42. Own it. And let's see, 67% profitable. At least it wasn't 66% profitable. Was that 666 before? 66% profitable? Oh my word, I didn't even look at the percent profitable. All right, 708.6 and profit factor 2.66. Like in that, let's go to the beginning of the contest. Back to July the 5th after 4th of July when we came back. Me versus Ross Cameron. You guys can go check the score. We're kind of smashing him if you guys want to go look at the scoreboards on that. 2.57 profit factor. Things that are important. Let's go with the yellow dot here. 63% profitable. Not too bad. Hold times, again, around 2 minutes, 3 minutes-ish. So again, that 7-minute hold time today, overall average, that felt torturous. Full hour of trading there today. Our sessions lately have been a little bit shorter than that. It is Friday. Action was probably there in the morning, more so than trading here slightly in the afternoon. Yeah, we're well into it. Let's go and look at some of the stats. Fun stuff here. Across the boards, day of the week. Pretty much same and same across the boards on every single day. Not too bad. Half hour a day. Obviously, we're trading more in the afternoons. This doesn't have to do with our strategies. This happens to do with the time of day that I tend to trade, with my personal schedule, with family, kids, pregnant wife, all that kind of good stuff. Let's go to... Okay, there's our 3 losing days. We've had 3 losing days in the contest there. And biggest day 24.
NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Okay. Let's look at cumulative. Let's climb the mountain. Mountain's looking pretty good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Max, everybody always wants to troll you if you don't go and focus on your max drawdowns. There are the drawdowns across the board. And yeah, so there's our summary. 28.9 for us there. 2.57 profit factor. Loving that.
Tipped off.
Happy
NASDAQ
Friday, everybody. Don't
on the
forget, the
way.
end of the month, gold is going away. If you are not in our gold package, you are going to miss out. We are going to have 2 robots in there. And yeah, we're releasing the new website on September the 1st. We are doing the Black Friday offer plus $1,000 off right now. After that, it's done. No more gold. So hopefully you guys who are in it will appreciate it. I told you guys a long time ago, if you were here with me while I was small, I would remember you when I am big. And folks, we are huge right now. We are the #1 largest futures trade room in the world. Give yourselves a hand on that. What do you think about that there, Trump?
So shiny. Look at this guy.
Thanks, bud. Thanks, bud. I appreciate that. All right, folks. Thanks, Trump, for hanging out here with us, and for all you guys as well. I love you. Have a fantastic weekend. I will catch you guys on the flip side. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Bloodspot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang, let's send out that big H-Town. See ya. Don't forget that like button and subscribe. Roll that tape.
In a world of scammers and shammers, there arose one demigod to wreck them all, making trading great again.